I'm Verni Howard, Executive Director of the Providence House. Okay, so this particular workshop is really designed and centered around branding your mission. So I want this workshop to be really helping nonprofits to understand how to share their mission, meaning what they do, in a more effective and impactful way so that the community, funders, clients, people who may need their service really knows how to interface with them. The JP Morgan Chase Blue, there was a standard and there was a brand. And you do it the same way every single time. And sometimes with nonprofits we miss that. We don't do it the same way. We know what our missions are, but sometimes we skirt off mission. So I want to, at the end of the day, help nonprofits to stay on mission, stay on message, make sure we're all saying the same things the same way to create a greater impact within our community. That's what we hope to accomplish. I want everybody who signs up to understand this is not to critique your nonprofit. This is really designed to strengthen your nonprofit. There's going to be a lot of back and forth. There's going to be a lot of Q&A. There's going to be a lot of share your mission statement with somebody else's and let's see what somebody else thinks your mission statement is. Because we think we know and we think our community knows. But let's see what our community really knows. And so it's really kind of an eye-opening experience, and then once we hear from the audience, then we can all take our respective missions, work on those kind of 4 or 5 little strategies, and then walk away with something that we can implement as soon as we walk in the door at our nonprofit. So that's what I'm really excited about. So I hope our smaller nonprofits really understand how vital they are. We really want smaller nonprofits to understand, what funders are looking at from your staff, what are they looking at from your board, what are they expecting from you as a nonprofit leader. And so it's a really robust conversation that we will have. And I want to make sure that I afford every participant the time to ask those questions, whether it's from a for-profit perspective or a nonprofit perspective, but to ask those questions so that, again, they can go back to their agencies with tools in hands that they can implement same day, not this just pie in the sky, let's create a strategic plan. That's a multifaceted process. But real tangible pieces of information that they can go back and let's just start at the ground level with your staff. Let's make sure our staff understands our mission. Let's make sure our board understands our mission, not just the words, but how we do it. And if we do it well, that we can impact a greater part